Let's talk about the latest launched Motorola smartphone Moto G Play 2024 with smart and sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.5 inches HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 83% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 500 nits brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with single camera on the rear that includes 50 megapixel camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Gold plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Silver, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 6 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.82 by 74.96 by 8.29 mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. The color options sapphire blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes Nano SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G Play 2024 has been priced for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at $150, 41,999 Pakistani rupees, 12,500 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G Play 2024 smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.